Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cornbread. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. A small amount of sugar, about 2 tablespoons, will enhance the flavor beautifully. This simple list ensures a perfect, moist loaf every time. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your cornmeal, flour, baking powder, and sugar until they are fully combined. In a separate bowl, lightly beat the eggs, then stir in the milk and melted butter. Once both mixtures are ready, pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Mix gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread, so be careful not to overdo it. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease an 8-inch square baking dish or a cast iron skillet. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared pan. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The aroma will be incredible. Once your cornbread is out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes in the pan before slicing. This helps it set and makes it easier to cut. Serve it warm with a generous pat of butter or a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness. It's the perfect accompaniment to hearty meals like chili, soups, or roasted chicken. Enjoy your homemade delicious cornbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.